Hey everyone, it's your girl Jassy, aka J Renee, back at it again with another video.
Deep in, swimming in my feelings. I've been here before, but it feels like I'm drowning.
So today's video, we're going to be transforming our slides for the summer. Another shoe video, yay, finally. I've been meaning to do this since last year and I have yet to do it. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can transform your slides, make them look cute for the summer and all of that. So I've tried one of these before, but not the other 2. So we're going to see how it goes. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put in the comments which one is your favorite. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, we're starting with the pink slides. You're gonna need your hot glue gun, some hot glue sticks, and flowers. I got these flowers from the dollar store. They were $1 each, obviously. I'm from Dollar Tree, actually. So we just gonna pick up all these flowers and their stems because we don't need the rest of them. So take off the small ones, the purple ones, the pink ones, the white ones, the big ones, the small ones, all of them. And we're gonna use them for the shoe. These white ones didn't have like an actual stem, so I just had to cut those off and like keep them intact somehow because they just wasn't, I don't know what was wrong with them. Just for reference, the flowers I got, the white ones were baby breath, the pink ones were larkspur or something like that, the dark purple ones was German status, and the big purple ones were zinnias. Yeah, I totally killed that. So we're gonna start with the first big flower and hot glue that on the shoe wherever you want it. Put it in the center, on the side, doesn't matter, but start with the big one first and then go in with the smaller little baby ones and just fill up the shoe that way. That was the easiest way. I mean, it looks like it doesn't take as long as you think, but it kind of does. Not too long, but yeah. So I also wanted like a medium-sized flower, so I cut one of the big ones and it was 4 layers. I trimmed it down to 2 layers, if that makes sense. Well, if you're watching, hopefully it makes sense. And then glue that one down and then just go back in with the regular small ones like we were doing. And after you know it, and before you know it, not after, you have a shoe full of flowers. And now you have some flowery sandals, slides, slipper slides. Yep, they're flowers and they look really cute. And so that was pretty much it. Bam. And now we have 2. The other one looks a lot fuller than that one, but it's all right. That's all right. And those are all the flowers I had left. Not a lot compared to what I had before. So yeah, you're going to use a bunch of flowers. Next, so we're going to use these white slides. And I got these adhesive gems from Walmart. They were like $6 or $7 or something. And yeah, so actually everything I got here was from Walmart except for the flowers I got from the dollar store. So these gems are already self-adhesive, but you might want to use your hot glue gun just for, you know, safety precautions, just to make sure it's on there. So I just took a string, a whole line of it, and put it right on the top edge of that shoe like you see here, and there it is. Press it down good. But I really did have to bust out my hot glue gun because I wanted it, you know, there. I didn't want it to come off at all. I might have to redo that top row, but that's all right because it's gonna look bomb when it's finished. So just do the same thing. You might, you know, burn your finger quite a bit because I sure did, but you know, after a while it just doesn't hurt anymore. You might burn it, but after you can't feel on your fingertips no more, you can't feel it, you know what I'm saying? So it really doesn't even matter. But yeah, just keep doing that. And before you know it, you will have a bedazzled slide, shoe, slipper, whatever we call them, slides. I call them slides. And look, a bling bling. It's so cute. I just wanted to finish it off better, and both of them look really good. So I put another line right at the bottom just to like make it look, you know, fuller, I guess. I don't know. Neater, maybe is the word. But yeah, so I just did that one along the bottom, and there you go. Oh, let's do the other side before we, you know, jump to conclusions. Yeah, okay, there we go. And now it's all pretty, and that was it for those 2. So this next one, girl, When I tell you this didn't work, it didn't work. So I tried to hydro dip these shoes. I used spray paint and I went outside and everything, and it just did not work. Like, look at the embarrassment. What is that? I don't know. It just like did not stick, and it just was, I don't know what happened, but I guess like the shoe was a little too like foamy, so it didn't stick right. So I just decided to spray paint them instead. And I love spray paint. I have so many colors, and I just wanted to go like this blue theme that I love so much. So that's what we did here, and just keep spray painting until you're happy with it. I used like a little accent color that was like a rose gold type of thing, but just you can spray paint any color that you want ever in the world, okay? So do that to both shoes, obviously, and then you have yourself a pair of spray painted shoes for the summer to match any of your outfits that you want to match, period. I love that. And that's what they look like. And so once they all dry, we have them all together, and here are the cute slides for the summer. And you can really do this to any shoe, not like tennis shoes, but like, you know, slide shoes, you know, sandals, whatever. But that's all. These styles are now available on my Depop. So thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.